In this video, I'm going to tell you about Mars, weak Mars or strong Mars in your chart. If you want to take personal consultation, you can check the website. So let's get started. So I'm going to tell you some of the symptoms of weak Mars. Okay, what are the symptoms that are present in your life that will tell you your Mars is strong or weak? Okay. Sometimes when we live on Earth planet, sometimes because of our actions we make our planets weak too. So now, first of all, if you have irritation and anger, if you get angry on little things, if you get irritated because of little things, if you are not able to forgive and you have revengeful quality, means you always want to take revenge, you are not able to forgive, then your Mars is weak. So this is the first trait. That you have that revengeful attitude where you are not able to forgive and you feel jealous very much of anyone's success or anything. Basically you feel jealous, right? And you compare yourself with others, you compare whatever you have with whatever others have. You are very much dominating and you are restless and impatient. Now you can have all these traits or you can have one or two of these traits, right? So it's not important that you should have all the traits, right? Even if you have one or two traits, then also your Mars is weak in your chart somewhat. Okay, so now if you always think negative or you feel lack of energy, you are always just planning and you are not executing, you are not able to make strategies, because Mars is a soldier, right? Mars, if Mars wants to win a fight, Mars will have to make a strategy. Mars needs to be logical. If you let emotions overpower you always, then also Mars is weak, right? And if you are not able to be devoted, if you are not able to keep promises, if you lie, if you manipulate, if you always find shortcut to success, then also your Mars is weak. If there is always fight in your home, and if you have bad relation with your brother or with males in general, the males who are involved in your life in any manner, you are not able to have good relations with them, or you always indulge in fights. Mars is also weak when you only plan but you are not able to execute it properly, or you are not able to put efforts. You lack passion, you lack ambition in your life, you lack courage. You only talk but you do less. When you are not able to control yourself, then also Mars is weak in your chart, right? And when you hurt people by your speech, by your words, then also it shows your Mars is weak, or you make your Mars weak by doing these things, right? You also have issues with your home or your house, your vehicles, then also it shows Mars is weak in your chart. Okay, like you are not able to have peace of mind at home. There is some litigation going on, land property issue you have in your life. Okay, that also shows the problem of Mars. If your Mars is weak in your chart, you should be careful while taking loan. Okay, the people who will have Mars is strong in their chart, they will be very responsible, because Mars is exalted where? It is exalted in Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign of practicality. Capricorn is a sign where Mars will be devoted. Capricorn is a very devoted sign. Okay, Capricorn doesn't have any ego. It wants to serve, it wants to follow the right path. So when Mars becomes strong in your chart, you always follow the right path. You are a powerful person, you are a loyal person, you are a courageous person, you never ever give up in your life. Whatever you decide, you do it. You are a trustworthy person, you are a helpful and a genuine person. You always help others. You are a genuine and devoted person, right? And also it shows that you are ambitious. You can do anything to achieve what you want to have in your life. And it's not like you're always in hurry, you lack patience. You make proper strategies, you make proper planning, and you execute it properly. Okay, when you make promise, you always keep it. You never make fake promise. You never hurt anyone's heart or feelings or emotions. You are a kind hearted person, and you always want to do something for people. You are a very responsible person, right? Here your goals are everything for you. For fulfilling your goals, you can do anything, right? So these are the qualities of strong Mars. Apart from that, you control your anger, you are not dominating, you give importance to others' points of views as well. If you have mistake, you accept it. You don't consider yourself to be the best one. You give importance to others' views also, right? You are a good friend and you are a genuine person, okay? And you don't hurt anyone by your speech. You are able to control your anger, your impulsiveness, okay, as well as your emotions. You are able to control your emotions as well. And you are God fearing person, and you always try to walk on the right path, okay? So these are some traits which of Mars is strong in your chart. Now if you have the qualities, that traits of Mars weak in your chart, you should change it, okay? Because if you don't change it, you will make new karmic account, because this world is about karma. Whatever karma you do in your life, you always get that back, right? So if you do a negative karma, then you will get that back. So if you want to improve your planets, if you want to improve your destiny, then you should do good karmas, you should do good deeds, okay? Then your destiny will definitely change when your previous karmas will get paid off, okay? So you should always try to do good deeds, think good, because karma is from thought, words and actions. So you should always try to maintain good relation with your brother. First thing, you should control your anger, your irritation. You should be patient. You need to learn patience, right? Because Mars is exalted in a sign of patience, that is Capricorn. So you need to learn patience. When you learn patience, then definitely you are able to make your Mars strong. If you stop getting jealous of someone, that also helps to make your Mars strong. When you control your anger, your speech, and you are not getting irritated because of little things, that also makes your Mars strong, right? Always in your heart show gratitude. Be grateful for your home, for your motherland, for your mother, and the house where you live. Be grateful that that house is present in your life, okay? Don't indulge in fight with your family members, and control your speech, okay? And if you take loans and all from anyone, make sure you return that money on time, right? And don't indulge in unnecessary fights and arguments. Don't interfere in someone else's business, right? So these are some things. And be responsible, be devoted, be loyal, never cheat. If you are not able to fulfill any promise, then don't make the promise, right? Accept your mistake as well. If you do a mistake, accept your mistake, forgive people, don't hold grudges for anyone, right? These are some things which you should do to make your Mars strong. If you do it, then definitely your Mars will become strong.